Artoonza.
Hey there, truck-loving artists and bottle cap collectors. Did you know those boring old bottle caps hiding in your recycling bin are secretly pickup truck wheels just waiting to escape? That's right. Today we're transforming them into the coolest, sparkliest, most ridiculously shiny pickup truck you've ever seen. We're talking glitter, acrylic paints, fancy polishes, and maybe even a tiny vacuum to clean up our glittery mess, because apparently I'm fancy like that.
Aw, so cute.
This truck will be so sparkly, it might blind your neighbor's cat. Just kidding. Or am I? Get your bottle caps, markers, and that paint dropper ready, because we're about to create a pickup truck so awesome, even your toy cars will want to ride in it. Let's roll into this artistic adventure together and make some trucktastic magic. Give us your like. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Drip, drip, red paint drops from the dropper. Our pickup truck is getting a fire engine makeover, and yes, it looks hot. Time for glitter black polish on those wheels, because this pickup truck deserves fancier shoes than I do. Jealous much? Don't be shy, color high. Yellow acrylic paint drops coming through. Hello, sunshine. This truck is officially brighter than my future. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up. Our paint dropper and yellow acrylic paint became best friends.
Aw, so
Squeeze,
cute.
squeeze. Golden drops fall onto our bottle cap pickup truck like liquid sunshine. Watch as we spread the yellow paint. And wow, our sparkly truck transforms into the brightest vehicle ever. It's so glowy, even the sun is jealous. Now this pickup truck is officially brighter than a summer day. Light blue paint dropper action. Our pickup is cooling down like an ice pop on a summer day. Chill vibes only. Glossy pink polish alert. This truck just became the sparkliest, most glamorous vehicle in town. Sorry, sports cars. More glossy yellow polish. At this point, our pickup truck needs sunglasses because it's too shiny. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Final pink paint drops from the dropper. One last sweet hug of color, and boom, our glitter pickup truck masterpiece is ready to roll. Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Smash that like button now. Last sweet hug of color. And boom! Our glitter bottle cap pickup truck masterpiece is ready to roll and sparkle forever. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.